It's easy, we're going to break this down, it's the only thing, it's a negation, so...
As a negation, yeah.
So we write down the unnegated formula, so without that first negation,
yeah, and then
at the top.
Yeah, and then a false sum.
Yep, the bottom. That's an assumption. False sum 3.
And that's going to be false sum introduction.
Negation introduction.
Negation introduction, okay.
Yep, yep. So we added negation. Okay, so now we've got this false sum at the bottom, and we've got one negation. A false sum has to be between a negation and a non-negated thing. So the only way to get a contradiction is to have that and this.
Right.
Just because we've got so little to work with. So we're going to say, right, if we can prove the thing without the negation, that will be our contradiction. And we've got no other clues at the moment, so we're going with that. It's 4. Then our false sum comes from a contradiction between 2 and 4. Okay, so now we need to prove this. It's an arrow at the bottom. So the arrow getting introduced. Our next reasoning block, which is the first bit of the arrow, is an assumption.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Cookie.
Yep. Brilliant.
Please continue.
Cool. Yep.
Later.
Yep. We're just working on exercise 25 at the moment. Okay. So now we've got this justified. We just need to justify the disjunction.
Yep.
Now that means we have to prove the not P or the not Q.
Yeah.
This all looks kind of symmetrical to me. There's no clues whether to go for the P or the Q. It could be either.
Right.
So we're going to hope. This is one of those bits where we make a choice and then we cross our fingers. So I'm going to choose P just because it's before Q in the alphabet. So, and this is my pen. This is one of those choices. If it all goes horribly wrong, we go back to our last choice and try something else.
Yeah.
But if we can get a not P, then 6 will follow from 7. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we're trying to prove a not P.
Yep.
It's a negation.
Mm-hmm.
So we will assume P is false sum.
Awesome.
And we hope that will help. Okay. Oops. The not P comes from 8 to 9. We've introduced our negation.
Right.
So now we're trying to prove a contradiction. Last time we only had this. When we were trying to prove a contradiction down there, we only had this. Now we've got some more things.
Right.
So now you can get a contradiction from this negated thing and from that.
Mm.
We could get it from here still, but we already did one of those, so let's try this other one.
Right.
So we'll try that and this. So if we can get a P and Q, that's going to give us a contradiction with that. So that will be from 5 and 10. We get a contradiction. We eliminate our negation. Now the good thing about P and Q is we're halfway there.
Yeah.
So that's going to come from 8 and something. We're just going to join them together.
We just need a false sum to, oh, we already have that assumption.
We already have the P.
Yeah.
We just need the Q, right?
Yeah.
So if we can prove a Q, which we don't know yet, but if we can prove a Q, then we're there.
Yeah.
So now we'll change our target to just trying to prove a Q.
Right.
Because we've already got the P, we've got the Q, then we get the P and Q, which is the contradiction, which gives us the not P, which gives us everything else. So now we pause and say, how can we get a Q?
Q.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So this is, I think, our first bit we actually slow down and think.
Q, and then we've got the false sum. Oh. Not P and Q.
Can we get a Q from that?
Whoops.
I'm not sure that I can see how we get a Q. So then at that point we roll back to our last choice. This was our choice here to put in this for the contradiction, right? So we do that, we say, right, this looks nice and simple, but I can't see how I get a Q. So you stare at it for another couple of minutes,
Yeah.
then you realise, my God, I'm running out of time in the test. Then you panic. And you rub out everything up to the last choice, like this. Yeah. Okay, so doing the P and not this one here looked good because it was going to work with our P and so on, but it didn't get us where we wanted, so we'll try this negation again. We tried it once, so we tried something else.
Yeah.
We're putting it back in and we're hoping. Okay, so now we're a bit worried because our obvious option didn't work. But we will try the second option. And it's still a choice, we're still leaving that choice mark for rolling back. If we have that and this, that will give us our contradiction.
Ooh.
So, same thing as we did down here, which is always a worry when you're doing something twice, but sometimes you have to. That's an arrow at the bottom, which means we're going to assume not P and Q, and try to prove not P or not Q. And 10 comes from our block 11 to 12 by introducing the arrow. So last time we had this choice, we chose a P.
Yeah.
This time we'll try a Q. Because the P didn't work, or the P only gave us, I guess it gave us half the story, right? So we'll try the not Q. It's quite common when you've got like a disjunction to have to do these things twice, one for each side. That's something you sort of learn by practice. So 12 comes from 13 by introducing our disjunction. Now we're trying to prove a not Q from a P. Well, a not Q we can unravel again with our automatic rule. 14, 15. If a Q leads to a contradiction, then we've got not Q. Okay. Now, we've got this not P and Q, and we've got a P and a Q.
Yeah.
I think we can see we're getting a contradiction. So this is now, again, we've got a strategic choice. It's not automatic rules. But if we join our P and our Q together,
Yep, got it.
yep, then that's going to contradict this.
Right.
So we've got
So good
11
fun.
and
Fulsome.
16.
Yep.
Yep. So technically, our choice was on the very last line, and we had a couple of choices here, but we just tried the things with negations to see which one would work.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that is
we're
identical.
pretty much done.